So Mrs. Viking got us a Samsung 990 Pro 4TB SSD for our birthday. We are going to install it in the Asus TUF motherboard. There's going to be a short screw here, Phillips, and a long screw here. This is a heatsink for an NVMe. If yours doesn't come with one, like this one has one, it just takes little, come on, focus. It takes little Allens right here, 2 on each side. So if you didn't have that, you would peel this green sticker off, put your NVMe in, screw it in, and this would stick on it, and this would be your heatsink. So it comes with the motherboard, but we don't need that. And then what we need to do, we've got, where did I put it? Here. All you need for all of this is just a Phillips. I took a little screw out. I need to get this standoff here and put it over here. So I put the NVMe in to see what size it was. I got to put the standoff here and then the screw that came with it to hold it down. I'll show you right now. Okay, we move the standoff to here. Then this slot is kind of at an upward angle. So you just set it like that and it's kind of spring-a-linged. That just sits, come on phone, come on iPhone. Just sits right on top of it. Then there's a teeny tiny screw that my giant fingers have a hard time working. Come on. This screw is tiny. And you don't want to use anything with magnets in here, preferably. Let's see. I'll show you how small this screw is. So I tried to get the screw in a position in my finger to go off of feel, not really off of visuals. Make sure I'm not blocking the hole there. And then I kind of just try to jam it in. I did it before with that one. You just got to be patient, especially if you got big fingers. You're just going to set it in there. That's close enough. Then you take the screwdriver, carefully line it up. And you don't have to go super tight with this. Okay. Snug as a bug. Then I've got to put my graphics card Cooler Master riser back in there. Then I'll put my graphics card back in there. I already dusted this all off. Hook up the power back to the graphics card and then retighten the power supply because my graphics card goes all the way under here where the cable management is. And then I'm going to do a totally fresh install. I'm going to put my operating system on this, and then I'm going to put all my games on here and download all the games I couldn't fit. Thank you, Babs. All right, so since my new one has a heatsink and my old one didn't, I'm going to move my original one here where Asus has given us a heatsink. And then I'll just put the screws back in here, and now this has a heatsink and so does that one, my new one. Sheesh.